Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we are going to learn how to write a Canada Visitor Visa application letter step by step. This letter is submitted by the visa applicant to explain the purpose of their visit to Canada, provide personal and financial details, and assure the visa officer that the visit is temporary. A well-written application letter makes your visa file clearer and more professional. Now let's go through each part of the letter so you understand exactly what to write and why each section matters. Check this out. Sender information. First, write your complete personal details at the top of the letter. What to write here is your full legal name, residential address, phone number, and email address. For example, James Wilson, 245 Park Avenue, Manchester M14AB, United Kingdom, +447700900123. jameswilson@email.com. This identifies who is submitting the application and allows immigration officers to contact you if needed. Make sure these details match your passport and visa application form. Date. Next, write the date the letter is being prepared. For example, 30 April 2026. This shows when your application letter was officially written. Always use the day-month-year format. Recipient details. Now write the visa office details. What to write here is the immigration department name and the visa office handling your application. For example, Visa Officer, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. Canadian Visa Office, London. London, United Kingdom. This directs your letter to the correct authority. If the full address is unavailable, the visa office name is enough. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Write, subject, application for Canada. Visitor visa. This immediately tells the visa officer what the letter is about. Keep it simple and professional. Salutation. Now write the formal greeting. Write, Dear Visa Officer. This is the standard formal salutation for Canadian visa correspondence. It keeps your letter respectful and professional. Paragraph 1. Purpose of application. Start by explaining why you are applying and your intended travel period. For example, I am writing to respectfully apply for a Canada Visitor Visa for tourism from June 15, 2026 to June 30, 2026. This clearly introduces your application. Be direct and concise. Paragraph 2. Personal identification. Write your personal and passport details. For example, my name is James Wilson, a citizen of the United Kingdom, born on the 18th of September 1992, and holder of passport number UK 1234567. I am currently residing at 245 Park Avenue, Manchester. This confirms your identity for the visa officer. Make sure all details match your passport exactly. Paragraph 3. Employment, study, or business status. Here explain your current professional or academic status. If employed, write, I am currently employed as a project manager at Wilson Consulting Limited, where I have been working since March 2020. If student, write, I am currently a student at the University of Manchester, enrolled in business administration. If self-employed, write, I am self-employed as a graphic designer, operating my own design consultancy. This shows your current commitments in your home country. Choose only the option that applies to your situation. Paragraph 4. Detailed purpose of visit. Explain what you plan to do in Canada. For example, the purpose of my visit to Canada is tourism. During my visit, I intend to stay at the Fairmont Royal York Hotel in Toronto and visit Toronto, Niagara Falls, and Vancouver. This helps the visa officer understand your travel plans. Be specific and truthful. Paragraph 5. Travel dates. Clearly state your intended travel period. For example, my planned travel dates are from June 15, 2026 to June 30, 2026. This defines the duration of your visit. Make sure it matches your itinerary. Paragraph 6. Financial support. This section explains who will pay for the trip. Choose only one option. If self-funded, write, I will personally cover all expenses related to this visit, including airfare, accommodation, transportation, travel insurance, and daily living expenses. This shows financial independence. Attach proof of funds. If sponsored, write, My visit is being financially sponsored by Michael Anderson, who is my cousin. He will cover my accommodation and local transportation expenses. This explains financial sponsorship. Include sponsorship documents. If costs are shared, write, I will cover airfare and travel insurance, while Michael Anderson will provide accommodation and meals during my stay. This clearly defines financial responsibility. Be specific about who covers what. Paragraph 7. Ties to home country. Explain why you will return home after your visit. For example, I have strong ties to my home country, including full-time employment, property ownership, and immediate family responsibilities. This is one of the most important parts of your application. It reassures the visa officer that your visit is temporary. Paragraph 8. Immigration compliance. Confirm your commitment to Canadian immigration rules. For example, I fully understand and respect Canadian immigration laws and confirm that I will leave Canada before the expiry of my authorized stay. This demonstrates responsibility. Keep this statement formal and confident. Paragraph 9. Supporting documents. List the documents included with your application. For example, completed visitor visa application form, valid passport copy, passport-sized photographs, proof of employment, bank statements, travel itinerary, hotel reservation, proof of ties to home country. This helps the visa officer review your application efficiently. Only list documents you are actually attaching. Paragraph 10. Formal request. Politely request favorable consideration. For example, I respectfully request that my application be considered favorably. I appreciate your time and consideration. This closes your request professionally. Keep the wording respectful. Closing, thank you. Write, thank you for reviewing my application. This expresses appreciation. It adds professionalism and courtesy. Closing. Phrase, write, yours sincerely. This is the standard formal closing. It completes the letter properly. Signature and name. Finally, include your signature if submitting printed copy. Your full name. For example, James Wilson. This confirms authenticity. If submitting electronically, typing your full name is generally acceptable. Before submitting your Canada Visitor Visa application letter, carefully review all details for accuracy. Make sure your travel dates, passport information, financial details, and supporting documents all match. A strong application letter should be clear, honest, and supported by evidence. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you write your Canada Visitor Visa application letter with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more professional writing tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.